unsorted garbage is delivered to the processing facility and deposited into the receiving hopper, where circular blades rip open sealed bags and distribute the waste onto the conveyor belt, which carries it up to the shredder. The waste drops down into the bar shredder, which grinds the material into particles of less than 15 millimeters. The shredded waste is then conveyed to a series of sieving screens, which further segregate biodegradable from non-biodegradable material. The biodegradable waste is sieved into particles of 3 to 12 millimeters, which are then conveyed to a station for conversion into soil enhancer or other products for use in the horticultural and agricultural industries. The non-biodegradable waste, with a particle size of over 12 millimeters, is conveyed into the mixing tanks, where proprietary liquid additives are introduced rendering it non-toxic and inert by being thoroughly blended into a homogenized amalgam. After which the solid additives, sand, cement and lime, are blended for a further 3 or 4 minutes. After the material is fully blended, it is carried via a conveyor belt to the hopper, which feeds the form-making machine. In the current plant, there is a block-making machine, and this produces 3 or 4 hollow blocks, depending on the size, every 30 seconds or so. Various sizes and shapes of blocks can be produced by simply changing the molds. The blocks are set aside to dry for 24 hours, and then they are stacked for curing, which takes up to 28 days, in line with traditional concrete products. Depending on the waste feed and the proportion of solid additives, the compressive strength ranges from 200 psi, that's 1.4 megapascals, to over 1421 psi, 9.8 megapascals. The compressive strength may be increased or decreased for individual requirements by simply altering the proportion of solid additives.
Our tests have proven that all the products manufactured by our process are fire retardant. As shown here, there is no heat felt in the hollow part of the block, and this indicates that buildings made from these blocks would remain cool in the summer and warm in the winter.